Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create group email in Gmail without showing recipients. It's quite easy. Very first thing you need to do is to just open a Gmail account, and just here we need to click on this little icon for contacts. In order to open this in new tab, click on this little icon, and yep, if you click on contacts you're gonna see all of your contacts. Now we're gonna create the group first, so for that just next to labels we need to click on this plus icon and just enter the name for your group. I'm gonna type taste for the sake of this video and just click on save. The group is created. The only thing is remain is to put contacts inside that. So for that, select those contacts which you wanna add in that group. I'm gonna put all of this. Then we need to click on this label icon, select the group which we have created, click on apply. Now at this point we are good to go. So for that, just get back to email, click on compose. You can maximize this, and instead of putting your contacts in the to section, you should click on BCC so that other people won't see your recipients. So just next to BCC we're gonna put the group name just like this. You can see all of the contacts has been successfully added, and now if you just type anything here and just send this email, other people will not able to see the recipients. And that's exactly how you can create group email in Gmail without showing recipients. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.